Welcome back to AVP Auto, your go-to destination for all things adventure, off-road, and overland. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases in the camper van world, the all-new 2025-2026 Kia 4Extension 4 camper van. This isn't just a van, it's a bold statement from Kia saying, we're ready for the wild. Whether you're planning weekend getaways or full-on van life, this machine might just be your new best friend. From the outside, the 2025-2026 Kia 4Extension 4 camper van demands attention. The aggressive front grille, rugged body lines, and raised ground clearance scream capability. With its wider fender flares, chunky all-terrain tires, and factory-installed roof rack, it's clear this van is built for more than just the pavement. You'll also notice LED headlights and a redesigned front bumper, giving it the tough and modern adventure-ready look. And yes, it comes in multiple adventure-themed color options, from earthy olive green to glacier white, and even a stealthy midnight black. Under the hood, Kia has stepped things up. This 4X4 camper is powered by a 2.5L turbocharged inline-4 engine, delivering 290 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque. It's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission with selectable drive modes including Eco, Normal, Sport, Mud, Snow, and Rock. That means whether you're cruising on the highway, climbing rocky trails, or navigating sandy dunes, this van adapts to the terrain effortlessly. Plus, the advanced all-wheel drive system with locking differential gives you the traction you need, when you need it most. Let's open the sliding door and step inside, and this is where the Kia 4X4 camper van truly shines. The interior is where comfort meets utility in a surprisingly luxurious way. The cabin is designed with travelers in mind. You get a modular layout with a foldable bed system, removable kitchen pod, and multi-configurable seating. The upholstery is eco-friendly and water-resistant, perfect for muddy boots and spontaneous adventures. In the rear, you've got a compact kitchenette that includes an induction cooktop, a mini fridge, a collapsible sink with running water, and plenty of drawer storage for your utensils and supplies. Kia even includes a portable shower system that hooks onto the rear hatch. Yes, you heard that right. And the built-in power system with solar panel integration ensures your essentials are charged, even in remote areas. Off-grid weekends? No problem. Now let's talk about the tech. The cockpit features a massive 12.3-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, integrated navigation, and a surround view camera system, which is incredibly helpful when parking in tight forest spots or reversing on narrow mountain roads. You also get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and forward collision warning, all part of Kia's DriveWise safety suite. And don't miss this, overhead there's a pop-up roof tent option, giving you additional sleeping space for two. It's perfect for couples or small families, especially when you want to sleep under the stars without giving up the van's main space. And when it comes to storage, this van is a champ. Hidden compartments, under-seat storage, rear cargo drawers, every inch is optimized for gear, food, and equipment. Fuel economy. Kia claims an estimated 23 mpg combined, which is impressive for a 4X4 camper setup. The optional hybrid electric version, expected to launch in late 2026, promises even better efficiency for eco-conscious explorers. Let's talk ride quality. On the road, the Kia 4X4 camper van is surprisingly smooth. The suspension is tuned for comfort while still being tough enough for moderate off-roading. It absorbs bumps without feeling too floaty, and the steering is light yet precise. It's not a hardcore rock crawler, and it's not trying to be, but it'll handle forest roads, muddy trails, gravel paths, and snowy terrain with confidence. Plus, with over 10 inches of ground clearance and impressive approach and departure angles, you can get to those secluded camping spots many vans can't reach. Now for the real-world usability, this is a van that's as good for everyday use as it is for weekend trips. The cabin is quiet, the climate control is strong, and the seats are comfortable enough for long drives. There's wireless charging, USB-C ports everywhere, and even a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot so you can stay connected wherever you go. The ambient lighting adds a touch of luxury, and everything from the dashboard to the cabinetry is built with solid, quality materials. Kia is also offering a full line of accessories with this van, everything from a rear-mounted bike rack to side awnings, ladder kits, and extra roof storage. They've clearly thought about the needs of serious campers, vanlifers, and road warriors. There's even an app that connects to your van, allowing remote start, cabin preheating or cooling, and even status updates on tire pressure, battery level, and water tank capacities. So, who is this van for? If you're someone who wants adventure without sacrificing comfort, who likes to explore but also enjoys modern tech and smart design, the 2025-2026 Kia 4Extension 4 camper van is worth a serious look. It's ideal for weekend warriors, digital nomads, couples exploring the country, or solo travelers who just want to disconnect and drive. Starting price. Kia says it'll begin around $52,000 for the base camper model, with fully loaded versions going up to $68,000. Honestly, for what you're getting, all-wheel drive, off-grid capability, smart interior design, and high-end tech, that's a solid value compared to the competition. Now of course, no van is perfect. The compact size means you'll need to be smart with packing, and while the 4x4 system is good, it's not a substitute for a true overland rig like a built-out Sprinter with lift and lockers. But for 90% of travelers, this is more than enough. And the fact that it's from Kia, known for reliability, warranty, and value, gives it an edge for buyers who want adventure without the maintenance headaches. All in all, the 2025-2026 Kia 4Extension 4 camper van isn't just another entry into the vanlife market. It's a game changer. It brings capability, comfort, and clever design together in a way we rarely see, especially at this price point. Whether you're planning cross-country journeys, national park hops, or just parking at the beach with a good view, this van's got your back. That's it for today's deep dive. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more 4x4 camper content, and drop a comment telling us where you would take this beast first. Until next time, stay wild, stay curious, and keep exploring. This is AVP Auto, signing off.